Tasty, we want it creamy, we want it nourishing. Oh, well, Cowbell evaporated milk, nourishing my body, tasty creamy.
You love your milk deliciously creamy with all the goodness of Vitarich. That's how we've made the new Cowbell evaporated milk. Cowbell evaporated milk, evaporated just for you.
It is the usual custom on Cowbellpedia to celebrate our teachers. So much so, we gave them their very own show, the Cowbellpedia's Teachers Edition. And this year is no exception. These group of professionals have been very instrumental to producing all the geniuses we've seen on this stage, week in, week out, season in, season out. And their efforts sometimes go unnoticed. So we're taking this opportunity to say thank you to all the teachers out there in all subjects in Nigeria, Africa, and the world. And if you haven't done so, take this time to send a text, make a phone call to that teacher that has impacted your life. It's 20 years, yes, 20th anniversary, the marriage between Promacedo Nigeria Limited and mathematics through Cowbellpedia. It has been quite an interesting and long one, but more importantly, it's been very productive. And we're saying thank you to all the teachers out there for putting in the time, the effort, mentorship sometimes, just to make sure we have the best students, the best inventors this country can provide. But how did they get here? Our 12 teachers got here as a result of their students who performed very well in the 2017 edition of the Cowbellpedia Secondary School's Mathematics TV Quiz Show. I am Oscar, your quiz master, and I'll be back after this break.
Instantly dissolving Cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vitarich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
Introducing the new Onga ginger, onion and garlic powder seasoning. Now you can give your fish, chicken and beef the unique taste all in just one sachet.
Onga. Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Let's meet our 6 teachers in the junior category and find out how did they get this far.
Fase Paul from Graceland International School, Port Harcourt, Rivers State.
Oga Paul, how are you?
Fine, sir.
How was Rivers this morning?
Thank God.
We thank God. Was it difficult and easy learning mathematics?
It was very simple because I once participated in Cowbell competition.
Whoa, what year?
In the year 2008, the senior category.
Fantastic. And you're already a teacher now?
Yes.
So maybe 5 years from now, you'll be the quiz master?
Maybe.
Maybe. Welcome, Paul. We appreciate you. Thank you for all your hard work. Welcome to Cowbellpedia.
Thank you, quiz master.
Lasisi Abu from Advanced Grade Comprehensive College, Shagamu, Ogun State.
Great to have you on board, Lasisi.
Yes, sir.
Would you say you're a superstar in your school, sir?
Not really.
Ah.
Yeah.
So when there's any problem to solve in maths, I assume you are the teacher they all come to.
Yeah.
Has there been any question that has surprised you as a maths teacher from your students?
Yeah, sure. Students are very funny. Some of them will just go out there to formulate some question and to mix things together. They just want to test you, whether you are there or not.
And for the fact that you are here, it means you are always there. Great to have you on board, Lasisi. Well, the questions here are not formulated, and you'll find out in a couple of seconds.
Sure.
I wish you all the best, and thank you for your hard work.
My name is Engineer Thomas Okuchukwu Eya. I am from Marist Brothers Juniorate, Uturu, Abia State.
Great to have you on board, Thomas. This is your suit now. How many bottles of starch did you use?
About 2.
About 2 bottles. You look very smart.
Thank you.
You're an engineer of what profession, sir?
Mechanical engineering.
Mechanical. We'll talk about that later.
Okay.
So, Mr. Thomas, how has it been teaching students? What do you think has been your greatest strategy in getting these students to excel?
I teach them how to solve mathematics without calculator.
Without calculator?
That's it.
Is that very possible?
It is. When you know the shortcuts, there are math tips. So you can plug in your question without any calculator, because if they start using the calculator, it's actually... Yeah.
So what's the square root of 2.4 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 2, all squared?
Wow, the question should be written.
Welcome, Thomas, and thank you for your hard work. We appreciate it.
I am Olatunde Ayorinde Emmanuel from Graceland International School, Port Harcourt.
Mr. Ayorinde, great to have you on board.
Yes.
How does it feel being on this stage with all these other teachers?
It's nice.
Do you know any of them?
Yes.
Which one?
My colleague, Paul.
Paul, oh, of course, but of course. And you and Paul, do you have secret competitions? Like, who is the best maths teacher?
Actually,
The one you can tell me.
We have a competition in fun, so
okay.
Not really good.
Okay, I won't ask who's the best teacher, but you stand a chance of being the best teacher in 2018. And if Paul should beat you, how will you feel?
Well, I will beat him.
You will beat him?
Yes.
For sure?
No, I'm praying to God.
Great to have you, Ayorinde, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for all your hard work.
Yes, thank you.
Dankanawa Hamzat, Nigerian to Live International College.
Great to have you on board, Hamzat.
Yes.
You have a very nice baritone voice. If you were not teaching mathematics, what else do you think you'd be doing? Maybe singing?
Oreto.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Are there any other subjects that you like, sir? Apart from mathematics?
Informatics.
Ha. So let's say you're a computer guru.
Not.
Now, Hamzat, how long have you been teaching?
21 years now.
21 years, Cowbellpedia, Promasidor, 20 years. So roughly around the same time Cowbellpedia started with maths, you started your career.
Yes.
I wish you all the best, Hamzat. Thank you for the 21 years. We appreciate you.
My name is Kehinde Oludare from Jesus Memorial College, Port Harcourt.
So, Sean, great to have you on board. How long have you been teaching?
11 years now.
11 years. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Look forward to another 11 years and beyond.
Thank you.
Welcome to Cowbellpedia. Well, now you've heard from our 6 contestants in the junior category. They're teachers, but they have put in their time. But it's time to relax and have some fun with our teachers today. The rules are very simple. I'm sure they're very well aware of it. We have 2 basic rounds. The first round is 12 questions, where you get a chance to answer all 12. And at the end of those 12 questions, we'll move on to round 2, which is probably the most interesting segment on the show, which is the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. The 3 teachers with the highest scores from round 1 move on to this particular round. They have 60 seconds to give as many correct answers as possible in a 60-second window. We wish them all the best. Our teachers, do you have any questions?
No questions.
I wish you all the best. I'm sure you're well aware of the rules. Relax, have fun. And once again, thank you for your service. Let's move on to round 1. Question number 1. What is the nth term of the sequence 3, 5, 7, 9? A, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 3n plus 2, or D, 3n minus 2? You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. After the first question, the correct answer is option A, 2n plus 1. Mr. Paul. Thomas, better luck next time. The rest of you, congratulations, you got it right. It's not how you start, it's how you finish. Let's move on to question number 2. Add these numbers in base 4. 1221 plus 2113. A, 10020 base 4, 11000 base 4, 10000 base 4, or D, 1100 base 4. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. Hamzat, what was your answer for this particular question?
It's C, but I wrongly
punched it in. You can see that it's not easy for our students as well.
Yes.
Well, you did get that wrong, but every other person got it right. The correct answer is C, 100004 base 4. Well done. Still going on. Number 3, list the possible values of x if the range of the values is given as x is less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. A, 2, 3, 4, B, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, or D, 2, 3. You all got it right. Well done. The correct answer is C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 4. What is 1/5 of 20 times 4 plus 5? A, 19, 17, 5.4, or D, 36? Speed and accuracy is very key. It seems the accuracy only belongs to one person, and that is Sheung. Well done, you got it right. The correct answer is B, 17. To our other teachers, not to worry, the game is still on, but please make sure you punch in your answer within the 5-second window. It's not the problem that you know it, that's not the problem. Let the computer know that you know it. Question number 5. Evaluate 6 times 7 mode 5. A, 2, B, 1, C, 3, and D, 0. Let the computer know that you know the answer. The correct answer is option A, which is 2. We had 3 correct answers from Thomas, Ayorinde, and Sheung. To our other teachers, not to worry. The game is still open, but I must say it's still very, very tight. We're halfway through. Let's move on to question number 6. Which of the following quadratic function is a maximum function? A, y is equals to 5 minus 3x minus x squared minus 4x plus 2, 7 minus 4x plus x squared, and 4x squared minus 3x plus 7. The correct answer is A. Y is equals to 5 minus 3x minus x squared. Congratulations to Hamzat, Ayorinde, and Sheung. To the other contestants, not to worry. Moving on to question number 7. Which of the following statements is false? A, x plus 3 is greater than 2 when x is greater than minus 1. X is greater than 5 when minus x is less than minus 5. X is equals to 3 where x squared is equals to 9. Or x minus 3 is greater than 4 where x is less than 1. Paul, I saw a slight grin on your face. What was your answer?
D.
Option D. You're absolutely sure?
Yes.
And you'll be absolutely right. The correct answer is D. X minus 3 is greater than 4 where x is less than 1. Congratulations also to Thomas and Lasisi. Question number 8. Which of the following figures necessarily has a diagonal as an axis of symmetry? A, trapezium, nonagon, parallelogram, or D, rectangle? The correct answer is option D, a rectangle. The competition is very tight now. Every point matters. I wish you better luck with the next question. Paul, Thomas, Ayorinde, well done to all 3 of you as well. Let's move on to question number 9. Which of the following can make x raised to the power 7 a perfect cube? A, x, B, x raised to the power 3, x raised to the power 2, or D, x raised to the power 4? Anybody has ever scored 100 over 100? Our teachers? Mr. Hamzat, when was that? Don't say 21 years ago.
No.
When was that?
That was like 15 years ago.
15 years ago.
Yes.
A competition or?
Yes.
And did you win the competition?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, you're well on the way again today. You got this particular question right. Option C, x squared. And also congratulations to Thomas as well. It's not how you start this competition, it's how you finish. Question number 10. All the following are equal except 0.3, 1 over 3, 3 over 10, or D, 6 over 20. The correct answer is 1 over 3, which is option B. Some of your teachers, you're not green. You're not letting this go. Congratulations to Paul, Ayorinde, and Sheung. Thomas and Hamzat, please punch in your answer within the 5-second window. Question number 11. A builder measures the length of a wall as 14.27 meters. This measurement is to the nearest what? A, 10 centimeters, centimeter, millimeter, D, meter. My teachers, I am here, and I'm here, and all of you are looking up to the lights. The answers are right here. And I think this is the first time you all got it wrong. The correct answer is B, centimeter, and no one got it right. But this is good news for some of you, and for others, it might mean the difference between being crowned the best teacher in mathematics this year. Question number 12. I wish you all the best. Well done to all of you so far. Which of the following equations has its roots as x equals to 3 and x is equals to 2? X plus 3 is equals to 0, x plus 3, x minus 3 is equals to 0, 2x is equals to 6, or D, x minus 3, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Find out after the break which teachers will be moving on to the 60 seconds of fame and which teachers will be heading back to the maths class to do some more mathematics right here on Cowbellpedia.
Instantly dissolving cowbell milk is both delicious and nutritious. It promotes good health and vitality. Cowbell milk has a blend of the important vitamins which we call Vita-Rich, plus vitamin B9, which helps with brain development. We've also got a deliciously creamy formula that dissolves instantly. Cowbell, deliciously creamy.
Introducing the new Onga ginger, onion, and garlic powder seasoning. Now you can give your fish, chicken, and beef the unique taste all in just one sachet.
Onga. Onga, Mama's helping hand.
Welcome back to the special Cowbellpedia's Teachers Edition. We're celebrating our teachers, and also we want to find out who is the best mathematics teacher in the junior category this year. It's question 12, and in case of a tie, to break the tie, we ask another set of questions. But let's find out how well our teachers did with the last question. The correct answer is D, x minus 3, x minus 2 is equals to 0. And like I always say, it's not how you start, it's how you finish. And all our teachers finished on a very good note. Well done to all of you, you got it right. But let's find out which teacher will move on, which will stay behind. I think it's very clear-cut. It has been quite entertaining. My teachers, thank you very much. But at this junction, ladies and gentlemen and students, a round of applause to Paul, Lasisi, and Hamzat, whose journey ends here on the special edition of Cowbellpedia. Round of applause for them. Sheung, Ayorinde, Thomas, one more step. You seem very relieved and very happy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Do you have a newfound respect for your students?
I have, seriously.
Sheung, congratulations.
Thank you.
You're very cool. Sometimes I'm wondering if you're in this competition or not, but you are. You're on 40 points. What do you think your greatest asset is in this particular round?
Actually, for my training, I like to be as fast as possible. So let me see whether that will help me this second round now.
I hope it does, because you've talked about speed and accuracy for your students. Let's see if you have that as well. Ayorinde, you're on 40 points. Sheung, you're on 40 points. Thomas, you're on 35 points. This is the Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame. You have 60 seconds to give as many correct answers in the 60-second window. If you do not know the answer to a question, I always advise just say skip, save more time, so you have a better shot at answering the questions. I wish you all the best. Ayorinde, I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. What is twice the positive square root of 64?
16.
Correct. Given that 2x power x equals to 0.125, find the value of x.
1 over 3.
Incorrect. Determine the unit vector in the direction of u is equals to 5i minus...
13.
Incorrect. If sine x equals to cos 50 degrees, then x equals...
Skip.
How many lines of symmetry has a square? Incorrect. A force 12i minus 9j...
Skip.
Simplify x squared minus 1 divided by x squared minus x.
X minus 1 over x plus 1.
Incorrect. What is the value of x at the point on the curve y is equals to x squared minus 8x plus 3, where the gradient is 2?
4.
Incorrect. What is the value of theta makes the range of a projectile maximum?
90.
Incorrect. If 2/3 of a number is 64, what is the number?
Skip.
Evaluate 9 times 3 raised to the power 2 plus 3 bracket
1.
Incorrect. Solve the equation 4 log 3 base x equals to x over log
Skip.
x. If 4x plus 12 equals to 36, what is the value of x plus 3? You can put in your final answer.
3.
Incorrect. Well done, Ayorinde. On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being very, very tough, 1 being very, very easy, what would you score yourself?
Maybe 2.
2. Whew. Well, let's see if 2 is enough to get you that undisputed crown. Sheung, you're on 40 points. I wish you all the best. Are you ready for your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame?
Yes, please, Master.
Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. What is the probability of having an odd number in a single toss of a fair die?
1 over 2.
Correct. Find the volume of a cuboid which measures 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters by 5.
60 centimeter cube.
Correct. Given that f as function x is x plus 3 divided by x minus 2, where
Skip.
x... Factorize 2x squared y minus 4xy squared.
2xy into brackets x minus 2y.
Correct. The product of two numbers is 15 and their sum is 8. Find the larger number.
Skip.
The sum of the roots of a quadratic equation is 3 over 2 and the product of its roots is 3. Write down the quadratic equation.
X squared minus 3 over 2x plus 3 equals 0.
Correct. Evaluate log 6 base 10 plus log 45 base 10 minus log 27 base 10.
1.
Correct. What is the value of x plus 6 all raised to the power 2?
Skip.
Find the probability of getting ahead if 2 people toss a coin.
1 over 2.
Correct. Well done. I think Ayorinde wanted to give you a handshake. I'm not sure if I got that wrong. Well done, Sheung.
Thank you.
Thomas, you're the last but not the least. I wish you all the best. You're on 35 points. It's anybody's game. And I hope you're smiling at the end of this particular round as well. Thomas, your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. Given that log 7 is equals to 0.8451.
7.
Incorrect. If A over 9 is equals to 4 over A, what is the positive value of A?
6.
Correct. In a class of 35, every student passed maths and 22 passed physics. How many passed physics only?
13.
Incorrect. If log 3 base 10 is equal to 0.477, evaluate log 27 base 10.
22.
Incorrect. The gradient of a curve y is equal to x squared at the points 3, 9 is?
6.
Correct. In how many ways 4 people can be selected out of 6?
15.
Correct. In an arithmetic progression, the second term is 8 and the fourth term is 6. Find its common difference.
3.
Incorrect. What is the area between two concentric circles of radii 13 centimeters and 10 centimeters?
8.
Incorrect. At the end of our Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame, we do have the best mathematics teacher 2018. It is clear. In fact, it's clear by about 15 points. 45 points, the second runner-up. And our second runner-up position goes to Mr. Ayorinde Olatunde. Congratulations.
On behalf of Commercial Nigeria, makers of Cowbell milk, congratulations.
It's 5 points separating the second runner-up from the first runner-up. He has 50 points. Congratulations to Mr. Thomas Ayer.
On behalf of Commercial Nigeria Limited, the makers of Cowbell milk, I present this award to you.
He is cool, he is calm, he is collected. Some of the qualities of champions. With 65 points, leading the pack. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to the 2018 Cowbellpedia Mathematics Champion in the junior category, the one and only Seun Makinde. Come on.
On behalf of Promotion Nigeria Limited, makers of Cowbell milk, I present this award today to you to reward you on the excellence shown during the junior category.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do have our champion in the junior category, the 2018 Cowbellpedia Best Mathematics Teacher. But who will pick it up in the senior category? 2 rounds. But at the end of that, who has what it takes to be the champion? We'll be back after the break right here on the special Teachers Edition of Cowbellpedia.
Cowbell Choco formula has been stolen. Get it back at all costs.
Great tasting Cowbell Choco gives you the get up and go to be at the top of your game. Now with Vitarich Plus Iron. Great tasting Cowbell Choco, a creamy chocolatey drink that helps give energy to get up and go.
Now 30 Naira only for the 20-gram sachet.
Welcome back to the 2018 Cowbellpedia's Teachers Edition. Special edition to celebrate our teachers out there. And if you're at home and you haven't sent a text message or made a call to that teacher that has transformed your life, it's never too late. We have our winner in the junior category, Mr. Seun Makinde of Jesuit Memorial College, Port Harcourt. Congratulations to you, sir. But who will be joining you from the senior category? Let's meet our next 6 teachers in the senior category.
Kehinde Oludare from Bibulu Academy in Osun State.
Great to have you back, Mr. Kehinde.
Thank you.
Your face is very difficult not to notice. How are we, sir?
I'm fine.
And how has life been since you were last on this stage?
Life is good.
Some say you're some kind of internet sensation now. Have people recognized you on the road, said, oh, that man I saw on Cowbellpedia?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. So, Mr. Kehinde, how long have you been teaching maths?
At least 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
And do you have a significant other?
Yes.
And you've been married how long?
It's 4 years ago.
4 years.
Yeah.
How does your wife take your love for maths? Is she jealous of your love for maths, or does she like maths like you?
She doesn't like maths like me, but she supports me.
She supports?
Yes.
And I'm sure she'll be supporting you right now. I wish you all the best on your journey towards being crowned the champion this year.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
All the best. Great to have you back.
Olugana David from Greater Tomorrow International College, Arigidi Akoko, Ondo State.
Greater Tomorrow, you guys have done pretty well in this competition.
Yeah, by the grace of God.
By the grace of God. And how long have you been a teacher in the school?
For 8 years. Oh, in the school?
Yeah, in the school.
4 years.
And your career is 8 years, I presume?
Yeah.
What do you enjoy most about teaching maths?
You know, mathematics, as I always tell people, is very interesting. Most people think it's hard, but math is not that difficult.
Okay. Which other subject do you really like?
Yeah, physics.
Ah, it's kind of like maths. Okay, I wish you all the best, being the best teacher this year in mathematics.
Thank you.
My name is David Jacob from Excel Grace Academy, Akajimegboko, Benue State.
Oh, God Jacobs.
Yes, Quizmaster.
That your red tie. I think I will use it for my next episode. Who got that tie for you?
It's my beautiful wife.
Woo! And anytime you wear that tie, you always win, Abi. Because that tie should do something for you.
By God's grace.
By God's grace.
Yeah.
I always ask the students this question. If you're not solving maths, what are you doing? So when you're not teaching, what do you do in your spare time, Jacobs?
I read Bible.
You read the Bible?
Yeah.
And I pray all the reading is going to help you this particular stage. Wish you all the best. Thank you for all your service, Jacobs.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Femi Fashutito from Loyola Jesuit College, Abuja.
Great to have you on board, Femi.
Thank you, Quizmaster.
When was your first contact with Cowbellpedia?
That was 2011. Then it was a written exam. Yeah, I was training the GSS3 student then.
And how long have you been teaching now?
I'm going to my 19th years of teaching experience.
19.
Now.
So I just want you to send a message to your maths teacher. Do you remember his or her name?
Yes, I do. Mr. Daramola.
And what would you tell Mr. Daramola now?
He has done a great work in me, and I hope to
do a great work in yours.
Yeah, in my students.
Thank you very much, Femi. Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you, Christmas.
Our fifth contestant is Mr. Bello Kolawole from Ambassadors College, who is unavoidably absent, but we celebrate him in absentia. A round of applause to Mr. Kolawole. And our last contestant?
My name is Olubenga Samson Otunubi from Federal Government Academy, Center for Gifted and Talented, Suleja.
You look very smart, sir.
Thank you, Quizmaster.
Do you watch movies a lot?
Not really, but I'm keenly interested in playing chess.
Ah, chess master.
Yes.
That is a game I still need to learn. How impactful is knowing chess in mathematics? Is there a correlation?
Yes, the correlation with chess and maths is 100%.
100%?
100%.
How long have you been playing chess?
Well, I've been playing chess since 1977.
Wow. In 1977, I think I was 40 years old. In 1977. Welcome, sir, and thank you for all your great service. Appreciate you. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, from teachers who love chess to those whose wives get them their bow tie for this competition. We celebrate our teachers, we appreciate our teachers, we love our teachers. It is no easy task being a teacher. It requires sacrifice, dedication, consistency, and pure love for your students. But do they have what it takes to be the undisputed mathematical champion when it comes to teachers this year around? I wish you all the best. We're going to start off with round 1, 12 questions. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. Please make sure you put it in within the 5 seconds so the computer knows that you know the answer. Do you have any questions?
No, please, master.
Let's move on to question number 1. Convert 26 to base 3. A, 222 base 3, 212 base 3, 221 base 3, or D, 122 base 3. You have 5 seconds to put in your answer. Jacobs, Kehinde, you need to punch in your answer, okay? David, congratulations to you. You're the only one who got it right. The correct answer is A, 222 base 3. Not to worry, let's move on to question number 2. What is the sixth term of the sequence? 9, 7, 5, 3. A, 0, B, minus 3, C, minus 1, or D, 1. The correct answer is C, minus 1. Unfortunately, none of you got it right, and 4 of you, or 3 of you, were not able to put in your answer in time. It's very, very crucial. Let's move on. Given that A is equals to 2 over 3 and B is equals to minus 6, evaluate AB minus B over A. A, 1, B, 8, C, 5, D, 9. The correct answer is option C, which Kehinde and Jacobs got right. Gbenga, Femi, David, better luck next time. Question number 4. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 3? A, 4014, 2057, 5147, or D, 1015. We had 3 correct. Correct answer is option A, 4014. Question number 5. If x plus y is equals to 3 and x minus y is equals to 1, find the value of x. A, 0, B, 2, C, 3, and D, 1. Speed and accuracy is very, very key. The correct answer is option B, which is 2. Kehinde, David, and Gbenga, well done to you. Jacobs, Femi, the game is still open. It's still anybody's game. Let's move on to question number 6. We're halfway through. What is the 10th term of the sequence? 10, 6, 2, minus 2, dot, dot. A, minus 30, minus 26, 20, or D, 15. The correct answer is B, minus 26. Well done to Kehinde and Femi. Question number 7. If A is 6, B is minus 2, find B plus 2A. A, 4, B, 10, C, 8, and D, 2. We have one clear leader of the pack so far, leading by 5 points. Which means every point after now till question 12 is extremely important. The correct answer is B, That's 10. Kehinde, David, and Femi, well done. Moving on to question number 8. Evaluate the square root of 18 over 32. A, 3 over 4, 4 over 9, 16 over 9, or D, 9 over 16. The correct answer is 3 over 4. Question number 9. The game is still open. Evaluate 4 raised to the power 1.3 over 5 raised to the power 1.3, all raised to the power 2.3, all raised to the power 9. A, 2 over 5, 4 over 5, 16 over 25, and D, 64 over 125. Make sure you put in your answer before the time is up. The correct answer is 16 over 25, which is option C. Well done to Kehinde and David. Jacob, Femi, and Benga, better luck with question number 10. An item worth 5,000 naira was sold at 20% discount. What is the final sales value? A, 6,000 naira, 1,000 naira, 4,500 naira, or D, 4,000 naira? Kehinde, if I was to tell you that I need you to teach 20 students maths for free for 1 whole year, would you do that?
As the Spirit leads.
You do it?
As the Spirit leads.
Well, as the Spirit leads on this particular question, you are the only person to get it right. Correct answer is D, 4,000 naira. Well done to you. Better luck next time. Jacob, David, Benga, Femi, make sure you put in your answer in time. Question number 11. We're almost there. What is the slope of the equation 3x plus 4y equals 16? Minus 4 over 3, 4 over 3, minus 3 over 4, or D, 3 over 4? This is a much better result. The correct answer is C, minus 3 over 4. We only had one incorrect answer this time around. And when you have an incorrect answer, it shows red. Mr. Jacobs, better luck next time. There's a clear leader of the pack. There's a clear second position. But that third spot might be very tricky. Let's move on to the final question in this round, which will determine who goes home or who moves on to round 2. Simplify 64 raised to the power 1 over 2 times 9 raised to the power 3 over 2 times 2 raised to the power minus 4 over 27. A, 1 over 6, B, 1, C, 2, and D, 1 over 2. Our 3 contestants that will make it to round 2. Very clear. But who are they? Find out after the break.
We want to taste it, we want to creamy, we want to nourish it. Oh, well, Cowbell evaporated milk, nourishing my body, tasty creamy on
You
it.
love
Ay,
your
ay, ay,
milk
ay.
deliciously creamy with all the goodness of Vitarich. That's how we've made the new Cowbell evaporated milk. Cowbell evaporated milk. Evaporated just for you.
Welcome back to the 2018 Cowbellpedia Teachers Edition. The air conditioning is on, but it's quite hot in here. And judging by the looks on our teachers, like most teachers when they reach this stage, they always have a newfound respect for the students who were also on this stage. David, how do you feel?
Not really good.
Not really good?
Yeah.
Why is that?
It's not good.
And what do you tell your students when they feel disappointed or they don't perform as well as they should?
I only tell them to calm down. So to calm down.
So let me tell you the same thing.
Myself already.
Calm down. Femi, how do you feel?
Life goes on, no problem.
Life does go on.
Yes.
But it would be sweeter if life went on with the crown of the best mathematics teacher, right?
It's okay.
Neither here nor there.
But if you can't get the, are you going to kill yourself? No?
No, you can't kill yourself.
Oh, of course, yes. Yeah. So life goes on.
Love that attitude.
Thank you.
Ogagbenga, is that suit giving you space to breathe? Hope you are not too hot, sir.
No, sir. No,
How was that
master.
round for you?
Well, I've learned my lesson now that my students are very, very good.
The last question, option D, was the correct answer, which is 1/2. We had 2 correct answers. That's to Kehinde and to David. Well done to both of you. But let's see if your scores were good enough to take you to round 2. I mentioned that we had a very clear leader. And we also have our 2 contestants that will be going home, who are going back to the maths room, who are going back to inspire the next generation of inventors. Unfortunately, the journey ends for Jacobs and for Gbenga and for, well, Kolawole is not here, but the journey ends for Gbenga and for Jacobs. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause to them. I'm sure we can do better than that. Femi, David, Kehinde, well done to 3 of you. You've made it to the next round. It's about speed and accuracy in this particular round, the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. But let's see how fast you are. The average response time, the best time we have, is 1.72 seconds. And that's going to Kehinde. David, you're on 1.81 seconds, and Femi, you're on 2.34 seconds. 50 points to Kehinde, 40 points to David, 20 points to Femi. Kehinde, you're on 50 points. I wish you all the best.
Okay.
This is your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. You have 60 seconds to give as many correct answers as possible. At the end of this particular round, the highest score from round 1 and round 2 will be declared the champion in the senior category. Do you have any questions, Kehinde?
No question, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Kehinde Oludare, your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. What is the determinant of an identity matrix? If you do not know, skip.
1.
Correct. Increase 450 by 50%.
675.
Correct. Simplify 1/4 raised to the power minus 3.2.
1/8.
Incorrect. Reduce 55 to its simplest form in module 5.
0.
Correct. Simplify 2 raised to the power 3 minus
Skip.
1. Simplify 16 raised to the power 5 over 4 times 2 raised to the power minus 3 times 3 raised to the power 0.
4.
Correct. The second and third terms of a GP are 64 and 16 respectively. Find the common ratio.
4.
Incorrect. Given that log 8 is equal to 0.90...
Skip.
Evaluate 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 16 raised to the power minus 1 over 4.
6.
Correct. Well done, Kehinde.
Thank you, Quizmaster.
How do you think you did in that round?
Well, as usual, we thank God. Everything is coming back to normal.
Everything is going back to normal. David.
Yes, Quizmaster.
I wish you all the best. You're on 40 points. David, your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Find the area of a trapezium with height 10 centimeters and parallel sides of 7 centimeters and 9 centimeters.
160 centimeters square.
Incorrect. 4 men cleared the field in 6 days. How many days will 3 men clear the field working at the same rate?
12.
Incorrect. Simplify 4 raised to the power minus 1 over 2 times 16 raised to the power 3 over 4 divided by 4 raised to the power 1 over 2.
8.
Incorrect. How long will it take a car cover a distance of 160 kilometers at 80 kilometers per hour?
2 kilometers.
Sorry?
2 kilometers.
Incorrect. Simplify square root of 343 divided by 7.
7.
Correct. Simplify 27x raised to the power 3 times 64x to the power 6, all 1 over 3.
Skip.
If y is a negative integer, solve the equation y squared minus 81 squared.
Minus 9.
Correct. If y is equals to 3x cubed plus 4x minus 3, what is the answer?
Minus 3 and 5.
Incorrect. Well done, sir. Well done, David.
Thank you.
We'll find out at the end of this round if your efforts were strong enough to clinch you the crown. Femi, are you ready?
Yes, Chris Master.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
You're on 20 points. Your Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame starts now. In a classroom, the ratio of boys to girls is 8 to 9 respectively. If there are 81 girls, how many boys are there in the class? You can skip.
24.
Incorrect. If 4, x, 36 are consecutive terms in a GP and x is a positive integer, find x.
Nine.
Incorrect. If log a base a is equals to 0, find the smallest value of a.
0.
Incorrect. Express the statement x is not less than 22 in algebraic expression.
S is greater than 22.
Incorrect. Well done, Femi.
Thank you, Master.
That was a tough round.
Sure.
At the end of the Cowbellpedia 60 seconds of fame, we have one clear winner who's on 75 points, followed by 50 points, followed by 20 points. To our teachers, thank you, and thank you. We're very proud of you. We appreciate everything you do for our students and wish you all the best. The second runner-up goes to Mr. Femi Fashatito.
Congratulations, Femi. On behalf of Promosido, makers of Cowbell Milk, I would like to present you this token for being the second runner-up.
$50 points. We have our first runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to David Olugana.
Congratulations, David. On behalf of Promosido, makers of Cowbell Milk, I would like to present you this token for being the first runner-up. Congratulations.
On 75 points, a man who, when last he was here, it wasn't so palatable. He didn't make it too far, but he came back strong. And that is a very important lesson for any true champion. It's not how you fall, it's how you get back up. Finishing very strongly with 75 points, ladies and gentlemen, Oludare Kehinde, congratulations.
Congratulations, Kehinde. On behalf of Cowbell Milk, I would like to present you this token for being the winner in the senior category. Congratulations.
Congratulations once again to Oludare Kehinde from Bibi Oluwa Academy, who joins Mr. Shehu Makinde from Jesuit Memorial College, Port Harcourt. They are our champions in the senior and junior categories, respectively, the 2018 Cowbellpedia Mathematics Teacher of the Year. It has been quite an interesting ride for our teachers, and more importantly are the lessons learned. Dedication, hard work, perseverance, persistence are some of the qualities that anyone who wants to succeed in life should imbibe. To all our teachers out there, thank you very much. To Promasidor Nigeria Limited and of course our technical partners NECO, thank you for your support till now. We appreciate you. And being the 20th anniversary of Promasidor Nigeria and mathematics, I am very excited about what the future holds. To all of you at home, thank you very much for being part of this. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful year ahead. I am Oscar, your quiz master. Till next time, bye for now.